KCET 2025 aspirants, so the round 3 results are out. So finally the college has been allotted to you. So now you need to download the confirmation slip for that. Okay. So yesterday while taking live, there were so many doubts, so many questions regarding how to download the confirmation slip. So please don't worry. Today I have come up with a live demo. I'll tell you step by step how you can download the confirmation slip. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to the KEA official website, and then you have to go to UGCT, then you have to go to the admission sections, and then if you see this link, that is which shows here UGCT 2025 third round fee payment and confirmation slip download link. So if you see this link, you can click on that. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to this page where you have to log in, right? Okay, so for login, there are 3 steps. You have to enter your CT number or by QR scan. Then you have to enter your OTP number. Then you will be doing your face verification, right? So there are 3 steps. So this is the first step. After that, you will get a OTP. So just click on OTP, and after that, the face verification step takes place. And once this is done, you will be able to log in. So this is how your page will be looking after you logged in. What you can see here, your allotment session means which session you got, your name, candidate category, college name, course name, fees paid, any balance fees. So here also many students were asking yesterday, like if the new seat that is allotted to you, if that is more than the previous, then do we have to pay? Yes, at that place you will see this balance fees will be having some value. Okay, or if it is equal, then you don't have to pay anything, balance fees will be 0. If it is less, then they will refund you. Please don't worry. Next we have here admissions. Under that, if you see, if I just zoom it, you have 2 things, payment details and confirmation slip. Okay, so you can see this word confirmation slip here. So please click on this confirmation slip. So once you click on the confirmation slip, automatically it will get downloaded, and once it is downloaded, you will find a I can say a PDF like this, which is getting downloaded, where you can see candidate's name, category, rank, college, course, then course fees, everything will be there. Your fees paid details are also mentioned here, reference number, bank reference number, when did you pay the fees, at what time, and what amount did you pay. So everything, this detail will be there in your confirmation slip. Next, if you just scroll down this confirmation slip, there is some important information as well. So what is there? Candidate has to report to the allotted college or institution with all the necessary original documents in person and get it verified from the allotted institution along with valid identity card, UGCT, UGNEET 2025 final application print, admission ticket, and Annexure 1 and Annexure 9 for medical allotted students. Okay. Next, in case of allotted college or institution demands over and above the fee fixed by the state government, the candidate can reach to the regulatory committee. Next, once the candidate documents are verified, admission order has to be obtained compulsorily from the allotted institution. Otherwise, even though the candidate has paid the fees, his or her seat shall be deemed to be cancelled and at allotted seat added back to the seat matrix for the next round. So if your admission order, if you are not obtaining, so admission order you will obtain from the college. Okay, after your documents are verified, you will get an admission order from the college. Next, this is only confirmation slip and acknowledgement for payment received. The candidate has to compulsorily report to the college. So if you just take the confirmation slip and you think that your admission is done, then you are wrong here. This is just that the college which is allotted to you and you have made the payment, acknowledgement of that, you have to report to the college and make your admission there, and you have to receive an admission order from the college. Next, what we have here is the documents to be carried. So this is very important, and the last date to report the college is 13th of September. Then there is the documents caste and income certificate for SC, ST candidates, and then you have SSLC 10th certificate, second PUC certificate, KEA UGCT verification slip, that is your confirmation slip. Then you have study certificate including SSLC or second PUC. Next, you have UGCT, UGNEET online application, photo identity proof, and admission ticket. So please make sure you take at least 2 Xerox copies, original documents, and all the soft copies also should be there in your phone to carry this to the exam hall. to the college for admission. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you still face any difficulty in confirmation slip, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and all the best.